Hello everyone, welcome to September 2025. This video is the first in a series called Tech Tips Roundup. In this series, I'm going to be reviewing the 10-second tech tip flyers I created for a particular month and add some additional context. These videos will be posted each month for the 2025 to 2026 school year. In this video, I'm going to review the tech tips created for August 2025. Each tech tip is posted on the Monday of that school week, with the exception of school breaks. With that being said, let's dive into these tech tips. For the week of August 18th, 2025, the tech tip was focused on start of the year technology reminders for a school. However, these reminders can be useful for an entire school year. Students and parents have to sign the necessary documentation before using a school district's provided devices. These agreements are necessary to maintain student accountability. Furthermore, if you ever need help with these types of agreements or any other technology item, please reach out to the appropriate individuals in your organization. For the week of August 25th, 2025, this tech tip focused on some of the updates made to Seesaw for the 2025 to 2026 school year. Seesaw made many more updates than the ones listed here, but messaging is a great place to start with using this platform. Teachers have to take the initiative to turn on messaging at the beginning of a school year so families can stay connected. If you're interested in more Seesaw updates, I have put a link to a few resources in the video description. That's all for August 2025's recap, and more will be shared at the end of September 2025. Remember, everyone, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.